Imagine this. You take a single sheet of paper and fold it in half. Then you fold it again and again and again. What if you could do this 42 times? Would you believe that the height of that folded paper could reach the moon? Let's dive into this mind-bending concept. It all revolves around the power of exponential growth. When you fold a piece of paper, you double its thickness. So folding it once gives you 2 layers, twice gives you 4, thrice gives you 8, and so on. Each fold increases the number of layers exponentially, not just by 1. Now consider a standard piece of paper, which is about 1/10 of a millimeter thick. If you could fold this paper 42 times, the number of layers would be 4,944,274,377,828. Multiply this by the thickness of the paper, and you get a height that is, surprisingly, more than the distance to the moon. However, in reality, you can't fold a piece of paper more than 7 or 8 times. The physical limitations of the paper's size and flexibility get in the way. This folding paper thought experiment serves as a powerful illustration of the concept of exponential growth, an idea that applies to many areas of life and science, such as population growth, radioactive decay, and even the spread of diseases. In essence, the seemingly simple act of folding a paper unveils a profound mathematical truth: the power of exponential growth. It shows how small repeated doublings can lead to astonishingly large numbers, a concept that is often counterintuitive to our linear thinking brains. To recap, if you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, the resultant stack would be tall enough to reach the moon. This is due to the principle of exponential growth, where each fold doubles the thickness of the paper. While physically impossible due to limitations of the paper's size and flexibility, this concept is a fascinating demonstration of the power and scale of exponential growth. So the next time you fold a piece of paper, remember, you're not just creasing a sheet, you're touching upon a fundamental concept that governs many phenomena in our universe. The power of exponential growth hidden in a simple sheet of paper truly is a marvel to behold.